I should go
You're a
out.
pretty girl.
I should go out.
You can't
Oh my god, I can't go out! Oh! Oh! Ah! 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 Oh! Anong shoo? Oh, shoo? Hindi, sisigaw ako dito! Anong shoo? Oh! Ah! So, hello everyone! Ako nga pala si Lay, isang expert horror streamer. At ngayon, maglalaro tayo ng isang horror game na pinangalanan na Mirror Mirror. So, let's play na agad since ayoko na mag-waste ng time pa. Oh, there you go. Parang umutot lang ah. Yo! Yo. I thought the backside will never end, but finally I did it. Unpack the whole house. My own house. It's small but cozy, and the price was right. My agent called it tinamad na ako magbasa. Copyrighted? Copyrighted? I'm starving. After all the manual labor, good thing I ordered a large pizza for my move-in meal. Oh! Copyright? Copyright? Turn off. Baka ma-copyright ako eh. Hello? Nothing? Mm-hmm. A. Oh? Oh? Lay down. Hey. So, anong goal ko? What's my goal? Ha? Anong gagawin ko dito? Hello? Taguan? Taguan? Okay, CR. Wait! Thumbnail to. Thumbnail to for sure. So, kakain lang ba ako ng pizza? Yun lang yung gagawin ko. Eat pizza. Stand up. Ah, I don't know anyone around here. Hello? Hello? Another Slovenian man is standing outside. There are beads and sweat on his forehead. Oh, hey man. Nice to meet you. I'm Charles. Charles? Bakit Charles? I just moved today. Sorry about na mess. I wasn't expecting visitors so soon. Oh, right, yeah. I saw you eating dinner through the window and I thought I'll say hi. His eyes avoided mine nervously. It's like he's looking for something behind me. Hmm? You live here alone? I groan internally. Great. Is my new neighbor a creep? Yes. But the place myself, in fact. Whoa. About the previous owner? Anong meron sa previous owner, bro? Previous owner, I don't remember that. Before I can respond, child flinches and turned the play. Never mind. Sorry, I forgot something at home. Ganun tumakbo yun. He was watching me through the window. Whatever. I just want to relax on the couch tonight. Not worry about icky neighbor. Just watch on TV, buy some content first thing tomorrow. Sit, tapos watch TV.
Many things in this world do not last very long. But the wrath of a woman scorned can last a long, long time, even centuries. Lights out.
Ano yun? Who would call me at this hour? Bro. Hello? Hello?
Oh. I
Huh?
want to see you.
Huh?
I want to see you.
Ah! Sweti kay Charles. Oh, it's Charles! Forget, I'll deal with him tomorrow. Ah! Charles! Will never filled with weirdos. Yeah, ang weird ni Charles. Charles? Hello? I'm so tired. I just want to sleep. Gonna brush my teeth and wash my face first. Alright. Toothbrush. Eee! Parang may mangyayari pagka binuksan ko yung ano, yung mirror. Wait! Hindi ba title nung game na to? Mirror, Mirror? What should I...
Oh, pretty girl.
What the... hell? Eee! Gonna wash my face and I can finally go to bed. Mag-iilapos! Ooh! Bulaga!
Oh, it tastes good.
What? Bro! Hindi ko siya kita! Hindi ko siya kita pagka hindi sa mirror. Bro! Screw this weird night. Bedtime. Sige na, matulog ka na. Good idea. Matulog na tayo. Wala. Yun na nga ba, nagising na ng madaling araw. Uy, why you here, ha? Ghost orb? What's this? Ooh. What's this? Huh? Ha? Ay! Putang ina mo ka! Gago! Yung mic ko! Ah! Strange nightmare! Nightmare lang yun! Knocking sound. Charles! 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 While I'm here, I need to use the bathroom. Why always the bathroom? Ba't ba bathroom na bathroom eh? May nangyayaring kababalagan dito.
Hello there.
Oy, Bensi Mercy! Al-Shabaab, go away! Ay! Sinarado ko pa yung pinto! Dito ako. Tago. Oh. Dito na ba siya? Tulog. I should go
You're a
out.
pretty girl.
Should go out.
You can't kill
Oh my god, I can't go out! Oh! Oh! Ah! 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 Oh! Ano mo siya? Oh, siya? Hindi, sisigaw ako dito! Ano mo siya? Oh! Ah! Di pa tapos! Bro! Ilan minutes to? Where am I? Ayusin nyo naman yung pag-claim niyan. Wait. Wait, ako na yung nasa mirror? Hello, can you hear me? Please get me out of here. God! Puki!
Now you're fired.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Oh my god, it's done. So, ayun lang muna yung horror game natin for tonight. Sub ka na sa akin para ma-notify ka sa mga next video ko. Like mo na din kung nagustuhan mo. Pero sana makita ko pa uli kayo sa next video ko. Yun lang, bye-bye!